Today we're going to make a Stella di Napoli, a Neapolitan star, and we're going to use the rolling pin with this one. Now we're going to put some tomato on, and this is just plain tomato with a pinch of sugar and some salt, and we're going to let the tomato shine. And we're going to put some slits into it, just like so. One more right here. We're going to get the mozzarella. I'm going to place some right in these sections. And then in the center as well. A little cayenne pepper, giro d'olio, drizzle of olive oil. And now comes the special trick. We're gonna get these guys, pinch it right here. And this is how you create una Stella di Napoli, a Neapolitan star. And tucked inside these corners is going to be a little bit of mozzarella. Voila! We're going to put the peel right underneath, kind of bend down, and grab this star. We can always fix it a little bit if it gets out of shape. Our oven is nice and hot, and now we're going to slide this in. Close the door, put it ajar, and let the oven do its magic. It is time to rotate it with our turning peel. Let's peek underneath. Oh yes, perfect. I think it is ready to come out. A beautiful star. And here it is. Now we're going to put some mortadella right in here. Then in the center, we're going to put just a bit more mozzarella. If I had some burrata, that would be perfect in the middle. Then some of the basil, the garden. It's still trying to grow. Then we're going to put just a little bit of olio d'oliva on top. And here is our beautiful Stella di Napoli. And we're going to enjoy a delicious and very artistic lunch. Buon appetito!